What are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. My darling people, my people, they don't finally catch the people where they made that late Uwa. They don't finally catch them, my people. When I see the video, I should realize, I say, since they happen for this world, my people, since they really happen, you know. When I see the video, the thing, it surprised me. Say, now even our Edo people there, and they even me this later wow, the thing surprised me, my people. Not where person not go see for this world, not where Musa not go see for gate to my people. So later wow, now all those boys, even women, even join, my people. Not where we not go see, not where we not go see for this world, my people. I fear we not fear these people really. Okay, what did that small girl can't do? They rich like that now. What they can't pay me now? What did that small girl can't do? Then I don't understand. What did that small girl? What did the girl can't know now? When I can't pay me that girl, what did he collect from una? Una just pay me the girl. Now when I want go sell the girl phone. Last night they even can't cash them now. The real people will just pay me this girl, my people. Not what we not go see for this world, oh my darling people. Not what we not go see for this world. Hey, small girl we just come life. We never even know anything. They go payment the girl for church. Even women, they even join. Now wow, what did this girl get? Now wanna come payment? What did she get? Small girl we never know anything. What did this girl get? Now wanna come payment this girl now, my people. When I listen to the video, what I tell you, interview the
Tina Samuel and Mary Ade. One of the suspects, Osaboyen Dosakari, was alleged to have bought late Uwaila Vera Omozuwa's mobile phone for the sum of 17,000 naira. Using high technical intelligence, the said Osaboyen was arrested by the police around Owe quarters in Benin City. He then took the police to arrest the principal suspect, Collins Ijegbulen. Collins Ijegbulen, who confessed to have directly participated in the murder, said he used the fire extinguisher to strike the late Uwaila after other suspects engaged her. The said Collins then named Akato Valentine and Nelson Ogbebo as other members of the gang. Mary Ade was said to have offered the sum of 1 million naira to the gang for the murder. The blood of the late Uwaila Vera Omozuwa was allegedly cleaned with a white handkerchief and then given to the said Mary Ade. Tina Samuel was arrested for allegedly obstructing the police from arresting her son, identified as Lucky, alleged to have participated in the murder. The suspects narrate their level of involvement. What happened that brought you?
I bought phone from Mr. Collins.
Who is Collins? This one. Okay, is it the Uwaila phone?
Yes.
Is it the Uwaila phone, Collins?
Yes.
Okay. How did you buy it?
No, that particular on the 27th. I start around
27th of what? May.
I start around the 4 to 5 because I repair phone. That's my work.
Where do you have a shop?
At Abupa.
Abupa.
Yes.
Okay.
So he brought the phone to me. On the bargain, then I paid him.
Yes.
So after on Monday the next week, I was tracked on the road. So after buying the phone, the 27th from him,
yes,
at the rate of 17,000 naira. So I started on Monday, Tuesday the following week, I was tracked and arrested.
How many of them entered the church?
Now 5 of us.
But with you?
Me first day outside.
Yes.
So the person they come,
yes,
and they tell them say person they come. So Nancy, Azubike and Lucky.
That's this Nancy, this
yes,
one and
yes. And Azubike and Nancy where they run. They come sit down for chair. And they sit down for chair now waiting. And you give me and the girl they say, you can ask me where me day. I want to say me day for this street to one of the member church. I me day. That's how they call Osaro. So now that place I deport.
So go straight to what can happen for inside that church.
So what happen as me and the girl they talk. What I get for the girl? I need 2x4. And then now the girl.
What do you mean 2x4?
Now plan.
plank.
The
Okay,
girl
where
no-
they for knock the girl?
na for neck.
Neck. Okay.
Yeah, the
Who
girl-
knock am that time?
The first person wey knack am na Nancy.
Who be the Nancy?
Na him be this one wey dey here.
This one?
Yes.
Nancy.
Yes. So
Na him knack am
yeah,
plank.
after he knack am the thing, the girl come use leg kill table with the book. Everything come fall.
Yeah.
Me come rush the girl and come hold am. So before I hear the girl don already fall down. As the girl fall down, e be like say wan get up. Before the girl go Azubike, go Nancy, Azubike and the other guy. So both of them they come dey knack. They come say make I carry fire extinguisher. The fire wey Nancy church me for carry that one. I come use am hit the girl for.
That fire extinguisher when dey by the side.
Yes, na me carry am. I come use am hit the girl.
What's your name?
My name is Akato Valentine.
You heard what he said. What's your name? Where are you from? Oh, where is Lucky now, madam?
Oga, not him. I don't know if you're lucky though.
Which work Lucky they do?
21 years.
Which work Lucky they do?
This is good. Stylish.
When last you see your son?
When I never see him, I don't reach 5 months. Mary Ade.
Eh?
Mary Ade.
Mary Ade, where are you from?
From Edo State.
Where in Edo?
Where?
The Edo State Commissioner of Police, Johnson Babatunde Kukumo, who paraded the suspects.
My people, una dey hear the way they take payment this girl. Okay, wetin this girl now come get now? We come make una now payment this girl now. That is, I don't really like understand really. Sometimes the way our Africa people, this one are from Edo, now this one still happen so. From Edo. Okay, wetin this girl now come get now? See the way that they even talk how they take payment the girl now. Say for church. The other one use plank, take plank the girl head, the neck. You know, small girl. Okay, what do they want do the girl? They want rob and they want collect something from the girl because they inside church the girl dey. Una want collect money and do na one as me don't understand though, really. I don't really like understand. Thank God, see they finally catch the real people wey payment the girl. They finally catch them. Nothing lasts forever. Una feel say they no go ever catch una, but today now they don't finally catch una. Those women who can still join now, we can give them money. What can make una payment the as in me don't understand really. The thing they surprise me, my people. Nothing wey Musa no go see for gate, oh my people. Small girl we never even know anything. We just dey come life. Now they just say go send people. Because according to the talk just now, now that woman I send them, give them money, make they go payment the girl. Because I don't really like know the reason where to go make them payment this girl. Like girl, we just they come life, we never know anything, innocent girl like that. They just go payment the girl for nothing. Sometimes the thing go dey surprise me for the way some people still they behave. The thing go dey surprise me, go dey shocktalize me. Say where this small girl come know? Who na come payment am now? Wetin the girl know? My people, nothing wey Musa no go see o, forget o, nothing. Inside church for that matter, they no even fear God. They no even fear God inside church. Now they go payment the girl inside church. And God now go forgive you. Now God now go help you. Now for this thing, we wanna do this girl. We wanna do the family. Now know the pains. We wanna make the family pass through. Now know the pains. The pains. We wanna make them. We wanna don't make them pass through ever since God finally say they must catch you now. They must expose you now. And they take cash you now. Thank God. See that girl. His death not just go like that. Thank God. So they finally catch the people who do this thing. That's why I can't tell my people the update of Uwa. So they don't finally catch the people with me Uwa. Thank God. Thank God. So they finally catch them. That's why I can't tell you now, my beautiful fans. Thank you, everybody. I'm beg more than 1 year, more than they know the way where I got the pull leg. I know say that God then they protect person. But this one now we be say the young made this girl like this, it really pain me. As in, it don't go easy for the family. You want to be the family, paying you like that, topless of the family. What they go they pass through now, So now say I come update you, my people. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that they go to hear many Ogbonge news when they come out for here. Thank you and God bless you people for me.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that